Hi everyone, we're back in the Let's Play. I've been farming silt for 3 hours basically on another server, world I meant.
He's wasting time with silt.
I know! And finally I got all the armor pieces. Finally, no more silt hunting for today. I'm actually kind of happy now. Now I don't have to keep doing silt every single day.
Wow, tungsten armor is literally just silver armor, but it looks cooler.
I know, it's just awesome. And plus, I
Well,
may need that. No, I'm kidding. It just looks cool. Which one?
Well, I guess, I don't know. Well, I guess Lee Boy can have the helmet because he says it looks like a Valk, and he's probably gonna keep it. So,
one.
which one?
The one.
Yeah, he has the other helmet.
Wait, so he might
One
think that
before we made
the
that
other one is a Valk?
Well, he thought that he thinks that it looks like a Valk, but
I mean, he did want a Valk for a very long time. Plus, this is like almost all the pre-hard mode items that are in Terraria.
oh god, remember this. Oh, please don't take the one with the goggles because that is my.
That is my what? The dinosaur is upside down. It's upstairs. Oh, never mind about that one. I'm gonna do one fishing quest just so I can get that out of my system. So whenever
I will just fish, like in general.
Wait, but did I already do the last quest yesterday?
I think.
Yep, I did. RIP. Well, at least I got some of the things out. I feel like I'll need to recollect the shadow armor since he took it again. Like the meteorite, remember that?
Yeah.
I have no idea. Oh, do we even have any crim type bars? Just realized. Wait, no, not
Tight bars on the map.
Demonite. What is corruption bars? I'll just call it that. Corruption bars. Do we have any of those?
I don't know. I don't think so.
Well, hopefully we do, because you can make probably one set. Because I have the helmet from last time where you put it there. And plus, we'll need that little ninja armor set. Those are things I want to do and spend a lot of time in this Terraria game. You know, like farm some armor sets, you know? You just get to like explore on how much you want to do in this game. Because I want to spend a lot of time. I'm not sure how much episodes I want to spend, but it's going to be a lot. Wait, where's the... Wait, didn't I add a glass? What? Wait, I didn't add glass. You kidding me? That was a mission failed. Oh, okay. Then I guess I got to go farm for some more. Okay, all done. Imagine you were like, okay, time to go farm for some more, and then you're like, okay, I'm done. You're like, all the viewers are just like, what? That'd be my reaction too. But just funny stuff. I just realized that you could just make bone armor, I believe. I think you just need bone and then some silk. That's what you need. Alright. Where? Can't believe I just 3 hours of silt was actually worth it just for like another armor set, you know?
Yeah.
That's literally gotta be worth it. Alright, come at me, you little soul eaters. Come at me, Buster. And plus, I don't have the full set of it because I had to wear the helmet. I think Leroy may have took it also.
He probably didn't. I think he only took the quote-unquote Valk.
Oh my god, there's literally so much eater of souls in my face. There's like
Eater of
millions.
souls.
Wait, they're so tiny. No, wait, so tiny? No, there's like so many. Get out of here. Oh. Why did I just say oh? That I literally just said oh. Alright, I have enough for the other one, so I'll probably go make that one like right now. With the worm food.
Okay.
For the eat of the world, because we literally don't have the other one. Because Leeboy might have took it or something, I don't know. Wait, there's a burger! Burger!
Oh
my god, burger meat!
There's literally like lots of them are spawning in the nights. I wonder if they spawn in nights only, like a lot more faster. I'm just wondering that right now. Do they spawn in the nights a lot more? Because I'm starting to believe that I'm getting a lot. Alright, just one more rush. Chunk. Worm food. I am not sure how this bio powder is supposed to make it. Come on! Yes. Wait, that's the last one. Oh wait, I have more. Oh well. Yay! Now I can make more. I can make some worm foods. Well, only 2, I believe. Oh, I had to go to the demon altar for this. I can't make it. Bro, what? Bro. I kind of feel a little bit sad that you can't build it. You can't make it when you're on this one. I can't believe, and also I can't believe I literally just tear off the cave, like right over there. That I pass. I have no idea why I did that. But I did that because I can. Wait, this cost more. It got rid of it. Wait, it costed 15. Aww. Well, hopefully he doesn't despawn. Hopefully, right?
Yeah.
Also, I feel like one of us needs to be like on the lower end, while like one of us tries to like stop him at least, you know?
Yeah.
I'm gonna go spawn him.
Alright, I'll come home.
I remember I used to cost 6. But now it's
Okay, hold on, wait for me before you spawn him.
well, I am waiting, and I'm literally getting hit for no reason. I almost summoned him. I almost summoned him by eating a burger. Alright, ready?
Yes.
Hope that he doesn't despawn.
Again.
Don't let him go too high. And die! Die! We are fighting Eden Worlds because we can. And there's 2 of them all of a sudden. Well, they're about to die anyway, so we win this battle. I meant now? Nope. We win this battle. Woohoo! That was pretty easy.
Eater of Worlds is a very easy boss battle.
He is. Do I have shadow scales?
Alright, I'm gonna go work on that fishing platform.
Okay. What? Oh my god! That's another rare one!
What?
Yes! Let's go! Ancient
What you
Shadow
get?
Helmet! That's
Nice.
another rare jump from the corruption. It's another one of those.
Okay, good, it's daytime now. I really need it to be daytime.
Nice. That that one's like, I feel like it's rare or very rare. I'm not sure how rare it is, but it's rare. But that's another one of these pre-hard mode ones. I feel like it dropped from the Eater of Worlds. We got 2 rare ones. Well, I feel like. Wait, does Tim spawn during hard mode?
I don't know. I don't know what you mean by Tim either.
No, like Tim, like he spawns on the ground. He has the armor set also. He's supposed to have like an armor set. Right?
Yeah.
He's supposed to give you like wizard armor, like Tim's armor. He's supposed to give you like a coat and a wizard hat. That's like pre-hard mode. He spawns often though. Also, we may need to fight King Slime a whole bunch of times because he literally is the only one that we have for. We need like one more legging. We need just like one legging, and then we don't have to farm King Slime anymore. You can still build a fishing platform though.
Yeah, I'm actually building it right now.
Ah, you're just making it better. Wait, you told me that okay, I'm actually starting to come down. Dumb, man. Well, I really hope we have some rubies, cause
I actually have 7 rubies.
And wait a minute, how much can I make? Wait, 7 rubies. Hold up. Wait a minute. I don't have enough for the armor set. Man, I feel like I might need to defeat him again. Hold on, let me see. That's about 5 crowns all of a sudden. And the extra one that I put in the chest, well, it's in here somewhere. Wait. Okay, I'm not. Oh wait, I had 2 black ones? What the heck? I got 4 now. Nice. Alright. Huh? I thought I had a spare crown. There was like a crown here before. Okay, for some reason. Okay, for some. Oh wait. Yeah, there it is. Alright then.
Oh, okay, I got out right before I was about to drown.
Wait, you were about to drown to death?
Yeah, and I got right out. I got out like at just the right time.
Oh my god, that was actually kind of scary, right?
Yeah.
I am actually very surprised. I managed to find myself like in a rare armor set that's dropped from the corruption. I feel like, wait a minute,
what?
This might be good. I just came up with a plan. If another blood moon spawns and I have a battle potion with the water candle, it will make it 2 times, 3 times, 4 times. 4 times spawn rates. That means it'll spawn more better. And I could probably get another armor set of those. Hopefully. That would be awesome. Battle potions are supposed to like make them spawn quicker. That's what they're supposed to do. You know?
Yeah.
So wait. She likes being in the snow.
Who?
Like, the mechanic, all of a sudden. Mechanic likes being on the ground. Also, I want to like discover almost every type. We literally got 39% of it. What have we not found? Rare creatures, So I found a dungeon slime. Oh. Okay. Fossils. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Ah, 24 boss entities. Underground corruption. Wait, there's literally an underground corruption?
Well, yeah, it's underground crimson.
Well, I might need to make... Well, I guess I might have to go work for... Looks like I may have to work for a underground corruption. But this one will be surrounded by brick walls. Hopefully it does not spread though. Like throughout of it, you know. What the heck was that? Alright, so okay, I can get rid of all these. Yeah. Can I have 3 rubies, please?
Hold on.
Actually, I'm just
almost done with this.
I'm gonna just come to your location right now. Oh, that's pretty cool.
Yeah, that's for bait. That chest right there.
Oh, okay.
Use it for bait.
I have a feeling we're like creating like a really good world today.
Yeah.
I may do a jungle house there. Normally I never build houses in different biomes because I normally go for like the first thing I spawn. Like, you know how like in the oak, in like the normal one that we are in?
Yeah.
I recently go for there, you know?
Yeah.
Need help?
No, I'm fine. Got confused.
Do it like this.
Oh my god, I was so dumb.
Okay.
Oh, wait, hold on.
What the? Are we going to spend this whole video just looking at you doing this?
Probably.
There.
Oh my god.
There, now you know how
That was much easier. Okay, this rope right here is if you fall in the water. Oh my god, I'm drowning. I can just use the escape rope.
Plus, I got water walking boots, so I can just walk on water. It's like I just defined the rules of gravity. Ah!
And you fell in the water.
Well, luckily I have water boots, so I ain't drowning. Can I have those 8 rubies?
I only have 7.
Oh, no. No, wait, I didn't mean 7. Dang it. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, that's 5. Dang it. Wait, I just get... I don't even know what I'm doing now. I don't know what I'm doing now. I have no idea
What are you doing?
I'm being weird today. That's what I am. I'm feeling weird. I got a platinum. I remember I got a platinum from using that, all that silt. It's really good though. Let me show you it. There it is. Kind of looks like silver. Wait, is it like silver? Oh my god, it's almost exactly the same. It's basically like a whiter coin, you know?
Eat. Eat.
Yeet.
Yeet myself. Let's see if you remember.
Yard work.
Yard. Wait, well we're not outside.
Yes, that's the point. We're not outside.
Well, we're in the water, so we're actually just going swimming. That's what we're doing. We're swimming. That's what I named this episode. We're going swimming.
Hello, my name is Eat, and in this episode we're going swimming.
Oh, that'd be funny. Right now that he's done with that, is it okay if I have the 5 rubies?
Okay. I only have 7. You keep saying the wrong number of rubies that I have.
I know. I don't know why I'm being so dumb. Here's your 2.
Time for fishing. Time to test it out. Wow. The function.
Wait, I got a banana! I just realized I have a banana!
Hey, you gave me back a ruby.
I also got a banana! Do you want
It's a banana!
Do you want that banana?
Da banana.
The banana!
Ooh, that
Okay.
banana.
Minor improvements to all stats. Goodbye, banana. Oh god. That's what the rope is
Goodbye,
for.
banana! Says goodbye to yourself.
Yay, crate! Oh god, the crate fell in the water. No.
Is it a sea?
Yes.
Oh no, the crate fell in
Where
the
is it?
water.
Okay, there it is.
Oh no, the crate fell
Well,
in the
well,
water.
I mean, I got a tuna.
Tuna.
Okay.
You guys throw
There's probably
balls?
nothing good in this, so I'm probably risking my life for nothing. But
Roasting your life? Hello?
I said risking my life.
I thought I heard roasting for a second. I was like,
I'm
what?
roasting my life.
Yeah,
I'm roasting my life.
I'm a chicken in a
Roaster and a toaster.
roaster and
I'm
a
a
toaster.
roaster and a toaster.
Broski toaster.
Broski toaster. I'm gonna toast the broski.
Broski.
No, I don't need this sandcastle, so I'm just gonna.
Broski
Oh,
turkey.
some bait. I needed that.
How about
Broski turkey. What?
What? Broski toast.
What are we doing?
I need serious help.
It's a bomb fish again.
Gotta-
One boil.
Wait, you gotta-
Ropes, bombs.
You want it? It's yours, my friend. As long as you have enough ruby.
As long as you have enough
Yelling in your screen.
so I can take it and say you're sus. Get rid of this because I don't actually need this. Chippy's couch because you can. Wait, no one's in this house. Did we max the limit at on the guides? Yay!
What crate?
Wait a minute, where's my... Oh, there it is. Oh, bombs? You want it? It's yours, my friend. As long as you have enough rubies or emeralds from Minecraft. As long as you have enough Minecrafts that you bought from Minecraft. Imagine you had to buy...
As long as you have enough Minecraft.
It's just like you have to buy Minecraft like 5 times and you're like, I don't have enough money to do it. Get out of my shop, woman.
A swordfish.
A
And
swordfish?
it fell in the water. Yeah, the swordfish fell back in the water.
Bruh, there was like a reaver pickaxe. That's the reaver shark that's supposed to be like a pickaxe. But then it got ranked to like 55 pickaxe power. It was about like 100% to mine like...
I don't want a lesser mana potion.
I am lesser though. There's literally so much zombies.
I don't want trout either.
And also, the rarest one I believe is probably an axolotl or a diamond zombie riding, a baby zombie riding on a little chicken, I believe. Hopefully all these king slimes will be enough just to get the leggings.
Wait, you're summoning King Slime?
Yeah, because I wanna.
Hold on, no, wait for me.
I am waiting.
King Slime is fun.
King
wait.
Slime! same.
Why is there a bomb? Why was there a bomb that blew up one of the houses? It's just a random bomb.
Wait, it did?
Yeah, it blew up like a part of one of the houses. I don't know why I was there. Hold on, I'm just gonna rebuild it.
Oh no! I actually
Rebuild in
saw it on the
time.
map. You'll have to add like a little door, so that they don't get.
So that they're not like, oh, I don't like the number of people here.
No, like.
If I build it wrong, then you can correct me. I don't really
put
care.
it in the middle. You're almost at the middle. You're literally like super warm. You're literally right there. It's right on top of you. Almost there. Just a little bit to the. Is it my left? Yes, right there.
Here?
Yeah, right there.
I'll just pick up this door that got blown up for some reason.
I have no idea. Wait, what exploded?
I have no idea, honestly.
Was it a bomb fish that just came out of the
It may have
world?
been a bomb fish, actually. I'm not really sure, but it may have been a bomb
When
fish.
the bomb fishes suck.
I didn't know they could just randomly explode.
Wait, I'm not sure, but do they randomly explode?
I'm not sure. I mean, like, I haven't been playing this. Scorpion, get out. You're a pest.
Wait, what does that mean?
There was a scorpion.
No, what
And
does
I killed
pest
it
mean?
because pest basically means like if you have a fly, then it's a pest.
Oh, okay, that makes sense.
King slime, okay.
Okay.
These scorpions.
Now he got everything done. Now we are going to head back to the king slime on our big platform.
Deck king slime.
Eat the dough. Eat the dough.
Deck king slime.
The deck of king slime. What if they added like a new feature that you could spawn like the limit of bosses you can spawn is 5, and you got 5 king slimes like coming after you.
Slash summon pig.
You actually said something wrong on that music note. It's going to be a lot more easier because he's such a noob. He's getting the. Wait, don't use all your.
I'm not gonna.
Oh, I literally just ran out of my bees. Please, ninja. What the?
That was quick.
Aw, he didn't drop it. Hold up, let me go buy some arrows from the merchant because he can't.
We already have a solidifier, and I already have a slime hook, which I don't use.
And
No blue slime batter.
You know what I don't have?
Eat the dough.
You already have a full ninja?
No, I just need the pants.
Oh, well, I got the ninja hood, so I'll just throw it away.
If you get the pants, then I am happy.
Okay, you want to fight it again?
Yeah.
Well, I'll take that as a guess.
Where is he?
Where'd he go?
Over here.
Oh, there he is.
Get over here. Stupid king. He's not even a king. He's literally a slime. We literally kill him now fast. We kill him so fast all of a sudden. This is so good.
That was quick.
That's
And the shirt again.
That's a shirt. Dang it. What we needed. Game, give us something that we want. I'm literally using my bee's knees.
I should probably use my bow.
Oh, okay.
I have these heck fire arrows.
Yes! He dropped it!
The pants?
Yes. Let's fight him off. So yeah, we're just off camera. We're just going to off camera this guy. Where did he come from? The future? And the
Okay,
ninja,
King Slime Trophy. I'll go put the King Slime Trophy somewhere.
And the ninja armor set has been completed. That is pretty cool.
Yeah.
Also, and now that we have finished it, now we can end the video off right here.
Okay. Okay.
So yeah, everyone, that will be the so that was our incorporation of beating King Slime and getting armor sets and doing a lot of weird stuff, right? We've been doing way too much stuff. And yeah, guys, we'll see you in another one.
Goodbye.
Bye.
I am a llama. Wow.
I am a llama.
You are a llama.
I'm a llama that screams like this. Bye, everyone.